Assembly takeoff. The next module will be assemblies pre-built over here on the left. We're going to select assemblies here for the rough-in for the fixtures we took off in the previous module. So we're going to select pipe and fittings, DWV, drain, waste, and vent. We have all the major choices here: ABS, PVC, and cast iron no hub. We're going to select PVC. And then from this first category here, we have PVC, DWV, underground, and the copper top out. So we're going to take off the rough-in for the underground PVC and the copper top out. So from this menu, we simply select the basic types of fixtures. You'll see a list here. We're going to start with the water closet. We had a total of 7. You'll see down here on the audit trail that gave us the rough-in for the DWV pipe, and if we scroll down a little bit further, we've got the rough-in for the top out for the water. We also had 2 urinals. We had 6 lavatories. And now we've entered all of the rough-in for the DWV pipe in PVC and the copper pipe, the top out for the rough-in. So this basically gives us all the pipe we need at the fixture. It does not include any pipe that we need to go from one fixture in one location to another location, or to go across the room, or to bring in the main line. This is just the rough-in for the fixtures themselves.